Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix BattlEye launcher blocking DLL on Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, go to properties, installed files and browse, right? Then what you need to do here is to press view, show, and then make sure file name extensions is here. Then what you need to do here is to find that particular DLL file. So in my case is libcurl DLL. So what you need to do here is to right click on it and press cut. Once you have here, you need to open up this PC, then disk C, then here you should see Windows, then you will see system32 file or folder. And in this particular folder, just need to go ahead and paste that particular file. If there is the same file, you just need to replace it. And after that, it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.